Who's this
Who's
lady?
this lady?
Who's this lady?
In the old plug suit.
I'm not entirely sure.
Wonderful. Is this a Gundam pilot?
Potentially. I did absolutely no research
That's awesome,
on
man.
this before coming in, other than the fact that I'd never seen her before and she looks pretty cool.
Old Rei?
So instead of having all the skin options as other Gundams do, she's in like a full suit.
It says plug suit.
Plug suit.
That's what it says on the side.
Plug suit version.
Yeah.
So she's like fully kitted out.
Does she drive the Gundam?
Does she?
Yeah.
I
know I should know, being a Gundam expert.
Yeah. I don't know. Her staff says otherwise.
Maybe that's what you used to turn it on.
I think turn it on like a light switch. All right, let's go over it. Oh, I've broken it. Let's have a look inside the box, shall we?
What's in here?
Face parts. You've got 2 faces.
Yeah.
That you can look at.
I refuse to. Don't make me watch.
Don't make me. Either. So she can either be looking straight or looking bent. Up to which way she swings.
Pre-painted.
All pre-painted, as Bandai does. You've got other options for eyes in there as well. Decals, not stickers. Thank Christ. Thank you so much, Bandai. That's her staff. There's all the black bits.
And my shield.
Which one?
You're like, yeah, am I Lord of the Rings? Okay.
Oh, no, I haven't seen Lord of the Rings in quite a while.
Oh.
All of the
we were
white...
going to have to have words
no,
here.
No, you can...
Oh, there's more faces.
Yeah, there's more. But they're the ones you put the decals on.
Oh, that's nice of them.
So you get pre-done ones, and if you're lazy, you get some ones with the mouth open. She's frowning by the looks of it and smiling.
She's like a regular Thomas and the Magic Railway character. Change the face.
Oh my god! You didn't just compare this to Thomas the Dank Engine.
Yeah,
you did.
Yes.
There we go. We have her seated.
Oh,
sorry. That's
what
her.
word?
Sitted.
What is the act of? I've sitted.
I've sitted.
I would like to sitted down, please. Is that what you say when you get on the train?
It's what I say when I do a fin. I'm gonna go sitted out the back.
Very good.
White, gloss white plastic. That's her standing,
yeah.
Potentially. Let's just get a zoom in on that.
There we go.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Just here.
Quite nicely shaped.
A lot of attention to detail.
Absolutely. The front.
Makes me... It's like she's in the room with us.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
This is great.
Anyway, let's get rid of that because we're spending too much time. Hair parts. She's got blue hair.
Yeah, blue hair, don't care.
And then you do have stickers. Bloody Bandai.
How good's this?
No, so good. Decal. Oh, no, sorry. Instructions in the box. Umami. You gotta build it.
Do ya?
I think
this is it. It says 30-minute.
30-minute preference.
So does that mean it only takes 30 minutes to build this?
Potentially. Where's the sitted option? Oh my god, she's
in a pose.
She's crying.
Looks like. I'm not going to say what I said. How wonderful.
There you go.
There you go.
Sitting pose can be enjoyed by exchanging parts. There's a lot of enjoyment you can have with this.
I might enjoy this too.
Here we go. I'm going to read this main accessory part description.
Yeah.
This spear of despair, which is said to have been left behind by non-human beings. It has a double helix structure, and the tip splits into 2.
In twain.
A variety of waterslide decals. Various scenes can be recreated, combining various accessories.
Scenes from what?
I don't know, from the movie, I suppose.
Is this from a movie?
Probably. And that's her there.
Oh, this is all above me.
This is all me. Look at that. There you go. Look at the faces and stuff.
Ooh woo.
Ooh woo. Ooh wow.
What else you got?
I've got...
Oh, more Gundam.
This is a new one that
I love that one.
Brand new spanking Legend Gundam.
Love
if you're
that one.
looking for the legendary Gundam, then this is the one for you, I suppose. I would have it a guess that you got to get this 666 Devil's Number Legend Gundam. I don't really know what else to say about this other than it has a shield.
It's got a sparkly blue shield, and it's all pre-painted. You've got your bits in here, all been done. Oh, look at this. You got these bits are see-through and they're pink. He's charging his laser and he's firing it out.
Firing it out of there.
That's awesome. This is a baddie one too.
Oh
The darker colors.
This is the baddest Gundam of them all.
Six.
Whoa! Redlining that.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Whoa! Look at these shields.
Yeah,
this
gets my motor going.
There you go.
I can't wait to build this.
And we are advertising for a Gundam expert so that you don't have to listen to us waffle on about these
stuff
Gundams.
We don't know about.
That's right.
Yeah, please help us.
Please come and relieve me of this duty that I am so very, very good at fulfilling.
Awesome. And which movie is this from?
This one is from the Zaft, not to be confused with Daft mobile suit.
Cool.
Series, which is a Gundam official series.
Yep.
Of the Destiny series.
Awesome. And it's a high grade.
It is high grade, so it will be an enjoyable build because you got to do it when you're doing high grades.
Yeah, awesome.
When you're doing high grade maneuvers, you build a high grade.
That's awesome.